Ka Meghalaya Schools Welfare Development Association MSWDA kala IT ka jing terwasha sembut Menteri Rangba ka jela uba press don tensang ban kerpat jingarap song pisa bat grant in aid na kabenta ki school secondary but higher secondary ha ka jela. Ha ka dorkas ka association klapan pau ka jing sngongo ya ka jing kular jong uba press don bat halor ka jing sngo kya ka ba ulapan pau halor ki jing ki bagi school secondary but higher secondary ki yakendo. Kala keduru ia ka jingkren jong uba preston ha ka program kebalalong ha ka shtarik jemang hamadan student jayaw da ka baong ngis ngongu shibun ia ka jingkren jong pi kabala ai biang ka jingkermen bat ai mensi me baro ki kinhun ki badan ha ka kam bayade bat ka puli puthi ka MSWDA CB kala ong bakala ai jingmut ha ka dorkas kabala IT ha ka khatlai trik yayong arja arprio bana kabenta ki school secondary deban bu hakmat ki school bakenjo sanpo percent nepalat ha ka jingdon jingki bapas ha ka result SSLC adu usnam arjar khat kendai hadu arjar pulai kumta labatai benia haklis balaterwa da ki DSEO ya ki jingtep ki batmai halor ki school secondary but higher secondary onsa IT shaka Sorkar hadin bala yop diang ya jubam na barok ki district school education officers DSEO ong ka dorkas ka association ka karpat ru ya uba preston ba unya kren ya kani kam bat umentri rangba bat penbait na kabenta ka jingalang bat ka association lambat ka tanat puli puthi banya kren bat khmi halor ki lat kilinti kumno ban penbait e kino kinu ki jing ki bayade bat ka ni ka jing terwa.
Today, we, the Meghalaya School Welfare Development Association, central body, we met the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Sir Preston Tensong, to discuss for this memorandum, as we have already submitted on 14 April of this year. The main agenda that we discussed today is for the matter related with the secondary and higher secondary. As you have seen, Sir Preston highlight and brief this issue on the playground, Madam student, on the program on this month, April. So, regarding this, we discuss in detail for all the 6 agenda that we have mentioned in this memorandum. Regarding this, the proposal for financial support or grant aids to secondary and higher secondary school is one of the issue that we have demand from time to time. Since 2025, in April 4, we have submitted the memorandum to the government, and we have already discussed the issue with Sir Rakam Esangma, Honorable Education Minister, for this issue. And Sir Rakam Esangma also, he said that this is the matter of his concern. So he advised us to move to the Chief Minister. Then after that, we already written to the Chief Minister and addressed this issue related with the secondary and higher secondary. Then we have got this letter from Chief Minister that he sent to the Commissioner of Secondary to examine and to report in detail for this purpose. So this is the letter from Chief Minister on 17 or 24 April 2025. So when we discussed with Commissioner, he said that now we have to focus for this lower primary and upper primary, as the government is committed to fulfill the aspiration, the need and aspiration of this issue. So after that, I would like to inform you that during this meeting today, we have decided the Honorable Chief Minister, Sir President instruct the Commissioner Secretary to call the meeting with the association for 4-5 times as required, and to frame more in detail and to submit to the cabinet for approval. Then he assured us that we will fulfill our demand and in the first manner. See, there are so many schools in the lower primary and upper primary up to 9,000. But in secondary and higher secondary, we have only 1,400. See, it's a big difference with the ratio. That's why there is a dropout of the student in the secondary and higher secondary. So now we already discussed and decide that the committee will be held in next week. What commissioner secretary? Huh? Friday, we will sit with the commissioner secretary to frame and the presentation and all the detail. Then we will submit to the cabinet for approval. Then this day is very happy for us that this issue is assured that the government will take necessary steps.